Hi everybody. So, I haven't been posting the regularly scheduled content. I'm not on the boat right now. I just started a business, era of my life. This has been me for the past 2 weeks. Yes. But Richard called me today and said that we are going to join one of his friends on his yacht at Pier 66 because there's a charity event going on and they want us to sing. What? So we're gonna get ready for that. Then we're gonna go over there, and I thought it'd be fun. I thought it'd be fun to make content for that, you know? Because I haven't made any other content besides more right now. Also, do we like more? It's so sick, right? Oh my god, it's only gonna get better. But that's not what this video is about, so let's get ready. Here's what I'm thinking about wearing. Cute. It's my little bubblegum dress. I got it in Beaufort. Someone commented that I wasn't saying that right. Beaufort? Beaufort? I am a little nervous because Rich and I have not played in months. Makeup, hair. Let's go get Rich. Okay, full glam. Yes. Guess who's here? The nerves kind of just set in.
Hey, I'm not sure. I know I gave him.
I'm gonna be honest, my voice has not recovered from the boat show, then the bar crawl,
and what else?
And a girls' night. Had a wild girls' night.
Oh, you don't.
Act like you've been on a yacht before. It's time. It's time.
It's time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, you can barely see me right now, but we just played our first song, Dreams. I don't think anyone can hear us. I don't think anyone can hear us right now.
Absolutely nobody can hear us.
I don't have a mic, I'm just kind of singing, but it's out on the app deck. Anyways.